everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make okodon. Oko from Okonomiyaki, don means rice ball. So it's rice ball that tastes exactly like Okonomiyaki, Japanese savory pancake. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. Thinly sliced pork rib. I have about 200 grams today. Some cabbage, green onion, aonori, seaweed powder, some salt and pepper, cooked Japanese rice, okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, katsuobushi bonito flakes, tenkasu tempura bits, and onsen tamago. Let's prepare the vegetable first. Cut the bottom off, cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and then thinly slice. Let's put it in a small bowl and set it aside. And cabbage. I want to make finely shredded cabbage, so I'm using vegetable peeler. It's very finely shredded. Let's put this in salad spinner. Put some cold water. Leave this for 5 minutes and then drain and dry. Let's cut the pork. It's thinly sliced already, so let's just cut it into bite size. Put some salt and pepper. And saute them. The heat is medium to medium high, and today I'm not adding any oil because pork rib has a lot of oil. Let's saute them until it's nicely browned. It looks good. It's nice and crispy here and there. Let's turn the heat off and turn. Rice, thinly shredded cabbage, all over the rice. Then pork, like a donut with little hole in the middle. Onsen tamago, into the hole. Some tempura bits, okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, katsuobushi fish flakes, some green onion, aonori seaweed powder, and okodon is ready to go. And when you serve, the rice and the pork should be really hot to wilt the cabbage in between. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!